Hello, I'm Jeff Dickinson, Executive Director and Farmer for Stratford Ecological Center. And I'm here today to talk to you about a program we really enjoy here, and that's the honeybee program. We're actually in the process of revitalizing our honeybee program to focus primarily on our children. Honeybees, why are they important? To me, they're like the canary in the coal mine. You know, they're great indicators about the health of an ecosystem, and if they're not healthy, then there's something wrong with the ecosystem that we all live in. So to us here at Stratford, the children are also the canaries in the coal mine. The children are going to be the future and what we sort of present society long-term, and Stratford's mission is fully focused on giving children our opportunities in nature, in agriculture, and in honeybees. So we would like to just share a little bit more about the program here at Stratford and create an opportunity for you to think about actually supporting this great program that we're putting together for our children.
Hi, my name's Carl Gladich, a volunteer here at Stratford, working today on putting together some beekeeping bee frames for inside our beehives that we have here at Stratford. I've been a beekeeper since I was about 15, 16 years old. Been doing it, on and off over those many years. Now I have about 3 or 4 hives that I keep in my backyard as a hobby beekeeper.
My name is Olivia Flommer. I am here as a apiary intern along with a few other things. I am currently a student at Ohio State studying agri-science education, and I have about 6 years of beekeeping experience when I got started in high school, and so I'm excited to be here.
Hi, my name is Kristen Corey. I'm the head beekeeper here at Stratford Ecological Center, and I'm looking forward to the next year as we build our apiary program.
Hi, I'm Al Blythe. I'm a local beekeeper. I've had bees for about 50 years. I've got 25 hives of my own, which I take somewhere between 600 and 1,000 pounds of honey off each year. I love coming to Stratford to volunteer because I really believe that in the mission of Stratford, and I believe that we need.
Hi, I'm David Hoy. I'm the Development Director here at Stratford Ecological Center. And my job is to raise money. And what I'm going to introduce you is our Apiary Fundraiser to support the work of all of those amazing people that you just met and all the tremendous amount of work they're doing. We need help. We need extra funds. As you can see, we have honey here in our honey display. This is our entryway into our education center. And we're asking you to be a partner with this team, and you can help us educate youth, adults, and about the magical world of honeybees, and you can be a part of that. The way you can be a part of that, we have 3 different levels. You can be a worker bee, and with the worker bee, you get this nice certificate that you can frame and hang in your house, and you get a decorative small bottle of honey to go with it. And so when you come out to pick that up, you can say hello to us and have a good feeling you're supporting us. The next level, you could be a queen bee. Now this is the good part, because not only do you get a full pound of honey, but you and your significant other, your spouse, your wife can come out, and we will take you out to a beehive and show you inside a beehive. So not only that, and you could be a real queen bee, which is the essential keystone of any hive. Then the next level, which you might want to consider for your family, would be to sponsor a beehive. Be a beehive sponsor. And you will get your name plate with your family on one of our hives that you are sponsoring. And with that, you get a full quart of honey, which is about 2.5 pounds, as well as a personal, in-depth look in the hive with your children, and your grandchildren, your immediate family. And that you won't want to miss. So anyhow, the things that we're raising money for that we really need is we're not only just increasing our honey production and our number of hives, but we're also increasing our education opportunities. And for children and adults, we need, now this is a complete bee suit. We need more of these, but we need them in child sizes so we can accommodate your whole families, little children as well, safely in the beehive. We need smokers. We're going to need a new extractor. There's frames, all kinds of expenses that we need to operate our apiary. So this is a dynamic program. This is your opportunity to partner with these wonderful beekeepers, which many or most are volunteers in this community, and help us educate our young people about the wonders of honeybee production. Thank you.